Assalamualaikum students. I am your teacher Ikra Sajid. We are talking about class 5 subject science. Today we will learn unit number 5 first aid. So let's start our exercise. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is first aid? Answer. First aid is the first and immediate assistance given to any person suffering from either a minor or serious illness and injury. Number 2. State the aims of first aid. Answer. First aids had 3 main aims. Number 1. To save life. Number 2. To promote recovery. Number 3. Stopping the excessive bleeding. Number 3. Mention the rules of first aid. Answer. The best advice to the first aider is make haste slowly. Number 1. Reach the accident spot quickly. Number 2. Be calm, methodical and quick. Number 3. Giving priority to the most urgent situation. Number 4. Clear the crowd with nice words. Number 5. Only transport patients by ambulance or other vehicles. Number 4. Why is first aid really necessary? Answer. Nowadays, especially in cities due to overcrowding and heavy traffic on the roads, the accidents have increased. Therefore, it is necessary for each of us should learn the principle and practice of first aid. Number 5. What first aid will you give for a wound? Answer. Number 1. Handle the injured part as gently as possible. First of all, try to stop bleeding. Number 2. Make the patient sit or let him lay down. Number 3. If the wound is in a limb and there is no fracture, raise the limb. This will lessen the bleeding. Number 4. Wash hands thoroughly or clean them with antiseptic lotion. Number 5. Remove foreign objects like glass, stones, etc. found in the wounds if it can easily get at them. Number 6. Place a clean dressing over the wound and bandage firmly. Number 7. If there is not a doctor or nurse nearby, then take him or her to nearby hospital as early as possible. Question number 6. What is fracture? Answer. A fracture is the partial or complete breaking of a bone. Number 7. Name the 2 kinds of fracture. Answer. Number 1. Fracture of legs. Number 2. Fractures of backbone. Question number 8. What will you do if a person's clothes catch fire? Answer. If some catches the fire, number 1. Put out the flames by whatever means available. Number 2. Do not allow the person to run about. Number 3. Cover the person with a blanket or coat or table cover around you. Number 4. Lay the person down quickly on the ground and wrap the cloth tightly. Number 5. Smooth out the flame by gently rolling the person or by gentle pats over the covering. Question number 9. What are the symptoms of a fracture? Answer. Number 1. Severe pain at the spot of fracture. Number 2. Tenderness like pain on gentle pressure means do not press hard. Number 3. Swelling of the area and discoloration. Number 4. Loss of normal movement of the part. Number 5. Deformity. Number 6. Irregularity of the bone. Question number 10. What are accidents? Answer. A sudden and unexpected event which cause an injury to the body is called an accident.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपने अभी तक NKSTV को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको आने वाले आपके न्यू लेसन्स की वीडियोस मिल सकें।
Now dear students, come to the blanks. Fill in the blanks and you can see on your screen the filling words are in red color. So let's start. Number 1. The breaking of a bone is called fracture. Number 2. Fire due to petrol or kerosene can be put out by throwing mud or sand. Number 3. If the fire is caused by short circuit, we switch off the main source of power. Number 4. The supply of air should be cut off to put off flames. Dear students, this question is about multiple choice. There are 4 options of each question, but we have ticked the correct one. So let's start. Number 1. If the clothes on the body catch fire, the options are A. Pour water over the body. B. Cover the clothes with a blanket. C. Crumple the burning clothes with your hands. D. Run shouting for help. The correct option is cover the clothes with a blanket. Number 2. If there is bleeding due to a wound. A. Wash the injured part with tap water. B. Clot the blood by blowing. C. Press dust over the wound. D. Clean the wound with spirit, apply some antiseptic ointment, and bind the wound tightly with a clean cloth. The correct option is D. Now dear students, you can see on your book there are some words out of boxes. So unscramble the following words and write in the boxes. Number 1. C-A-L-I-M-E-D. Magical. Number 2. T-E-A-T-M-E-N-T-R. Treatment. Number 3. D-E-R-U-J-I-N. Entered. Number 4. T-E-N-T-P-A-I. Patient. Dear students, I hope you enjoy your lesson. So, share this video to your friends, subscribe the NKSTV and press the bell icon button for upcoming lesson videos. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.